This is Tessa Loriente. She is a half wolf, at least that's what the papers say. She was a runt of the litter, and we got her because the family who ended up getting her abandoned her in the house and left her neglected without any food and water for like a month. So she's a big one now. But this white undercoat, by the way, is because she had a skin infection last year, and they had to shave it off. It's just taking forever to grow back. So this is her. You guys were inquiring about her. She is very small for a half wolf, and she does look obviously more husky. She does have some attributes of a wolf, like the browning right here, the tail browning. Her eyes are more wolf-like. She runs like a wolf. She howls like a wolf. She acts like a wolf half the time. She does not like small animals, like smaller dogs. She went after a rat a couple days ago and almost broke its neck. Also ignore these patches. The last time we washed her, her fur got really tangled, and we could not get these two patches out of her when we were detangling her. So we actually just had to cut them off. So because she was whining and everything, so we didn't want to cause her any more pain. She does not bite. She hasn't ever raised her teeth to me, but she has raised her teeth to other people because she's not familiar with them. But she's never gotten aggressive to any point. She just, hey, back off, you're scaring me. She does often think she's being abused, and I think it's because the people previously abused her. So she actually is very shy for a half-breed. So she's very trainable. She's pretty great. She's definitely my dog. She follows me everywhere. However, she obviously is also very stubborn because she does not like to always listen. Right, Tessa. You're not a listening doggy. Tessa was the name of the people that the people before me gave her. But it's kind of fitting. Tessa means Reaper, so that's pretty cool. Right, girl. So I don't care, Ma. I get no craps. And obviously Blaze. Dad likes to think, which Blaze is Dad's dog. Dad likes to think that he's the alpha. But in reality, we all know that Tessa's the alpha. So yeah. So you guys wanted to get an image of her, so hopefully this has helped. Sorry I had to move around a lot. She does not like to stay still. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
feel I have won. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done.